Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save HD quality pic in Picsart or how you can increase image quality in Picsart. So for this, first of all, I'm just going to open my Picsart application. And now if you tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and from here, if you tap on these three dots and go for this settings, you will see this first option, max image size. So tap on it and now you have to just select the maximum as you can see. So you can see I have already selected the highest megapixel, 12 megapixel. So you have to make sure that you have selected the highest megapixel from there. Now tap on OK. Now just go back and tap on this plus icon. And now you have to select a photo you want to edit. Like this is the photo I want to edit. So now I'm going to tell you how you can improve your pixels of your photo. So first of all, you just have to go for this tools and then you have to tap on this resize. And now you have to enter here 5000 like this and then tap on this resize. So you can see this option, you cannot larger than 12 megapixel. So you have to select the same amount shown here 3464. So I'm going for this now 3464 and then tap on resize. So our pixels are increased now. So now the last step is how we can save our photo in highest pixel. So just tap on this save. So you can save this way as well, but the best way is you have to come for this draw tool here and then you have to tap on this brush option. And now you can just do this kind of stuff like this. And now you are seeing this option. You have to tap on this option here in the upper and you have to move this layer down from your picture like this. And now you can see our lines are removed. So now you just have to tap on this check mark to save this photo from here. And now your photo will be saved in full quality in your gallery. So now if I go to my gallery, so this is the photo we just saved from the Picsart. So that's how you can save HD quality picture in Picsart and you can increase the image quality. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.